Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Edge here, guys. So if you have a Ford Edge first generation, it should be a very helpful video on showing you guys how to remove or replace the transmission shifter gear selector, guys. Stay with us and we'll show you how to do that. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including the first generation Ford Edge, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos. Why, guys? Why we take our cars completely apart? Simply, guys, because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, you need to buy replacement parts, tools, okay, anything like that for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys, and we'll share where we get all the parts that we buy for the shop here. Usually you get them for a really good price and fast shipping as well. So let us show you guys, okay, what needs to be done now actually to remove and replace that gear shifter, also known as gear selector, guys. Okay, I'm talking about this thing right here. Okay, that's what we'll be doing today, guys. Open the armrest lid, and now right here we're going to, okay, pop that cover up. Okay, you're going to see either with a screwdriver or a panel removal tools. You have a few clips that you need to get loose. Okay, perfect. And get it out, guys. Just like that. Super simple. Now, guys, this is your gear selector shifter, guys. Okay, right here. Now, not very complicated to remove and replace. We need to disconnect, okay, the transmission cable. Okay, we have the, okay, that thing right here that we need to get loose. Okay, and it just comes out, guys. Okay, check it out. Grab it and pull it out. Okay, it has two teeth right here. One is already loose, but if it doesn't want to come out, just pry those a little bit forward, okay, towards the vehicle forward, but backwards here, and you'll be able to pull it out. Now we need to disconnect the wire with a clip removal tool here. Now press in, pull it out. Okay, this is great. Okay, this one will actually stay on the gear selector indicator, because you can see how it comes out. That's a whole mount here, so we don't need to disconnect it from there. Now we need to disconnect the cable, guys, the shifter cable from the inside of this one. Okay, so let me see if I will be able to reach it, or we may need to be able to remove that thing in a little bit. We'll see. So 8mm socket, guys, with extension, and we're going to remove. Now we have 4 bolts. Okay, you can see 2 are loose. I think we have 2 more on the other side. Let me check. Yep, 2 more that are a little bit hard to get to on the other side. Okay, and we just dropped that bolt down there, so okay, we'll need to go ahead and grab it. Okay, it dropped on the carpet somewhere here, so I'm going to get it in a second. Okay, perfect, right there. Now 2 more bolts over there, guys. Okay, so let me show you exactly where they are so you can see a little bit better. Okay, this one is loose. Now one towards the back. This one as well. Now we can lift that thing up, and we need to see, okay, those are the bolts. We can just leave them there. Now this is, guys, where the, okay, the shifter cable attaches, okay, to the shifter. So with a clip prying removal tool, if we get underneath, okay, we can pry it open. Now next step, just go ahead and slide it out of there, and the whole gear selector shifter, guys, is out of there, as you can see, just like that. Not very complicated at all. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.